Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. So thanks for coming to the program. So
My pleasure.
good morning, students. Today, sir will be taking again second revision class of the accountancy subject. Yeah, you can go ahead, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Hello, children. Good morning. Very warm welcome to the second session of the revision program. And in today's class, just a second. Yeah. In today's class, we'll be talking more about accountancy, whatever we have understood in the previous session. And we will also solve some the questions from the papers, whatever we have got in the last sessions. And at the end of the day, as I said you, I'll be sharing you some important model, not model papers, the preparatory papers which has happened just in the month of January. The PU department has conducted the preparatory exams, and I have collected around how many papers I have collected? Just a second. I have got around 23 papers with me. All districts: Bangalore rural, Bangalore urban, Mysuru, Udupi, Mangaluru, Chitradurga, Raichuru, Bidar, Koppala, Chikballapura, many districts paper I have collected. I have got 23 model question papers with me. I'll be sharing with all of you. If you can practice and manage practicing all 23, brilliant. But at least if you practice around 10 papers, at least 10 papers, then it would be great. You can definitely score centum. Out, definitely you can score 80 on 80. This is what is my advice and the suggestion, right? So what are we going to do today in today's class? So what I will do, I'll take up a model paper, and in that model paper or the preparatory paper which they have asked for the examination, right? And what I will do, I will solve some of the important questions which I have told in the last class. Okay, before I get into that particular thing, so I am a teacher. So whatever we have done in the last session, we have to revise, right? So I'll be asking you few questions. You can unmute and speak, or you can also chat in the chat box. Okay. Is it fine that we start with our this one, the revision of the last class? Yeah. As I said you, what are the questions that I suggested all of you that you can do it in the section C? That is 6-mark questions, 6 markers. Whatever the question that I have suggested you, which questions you are supposed to solve, I said, can you raise your hands and I will unmute you? You can speak. Is that okay? 6-mark questions. Which are the questions that you are supposed to answer? Who raised the hand? No, somebody is clapping. Savitri. Yes, Savitri. Yes, you can unmute. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Section C had told us to solve interest on drawings or P&L account.
Okay.
And then
P&L appropriation account kanda.
P&L appropriation account.
Okay.
Then you have told us to solve death of the partner.
Okay.
And then statement of P&L.
Statement of P&L also you can do, or cash flow statement also can be done. I prefer cash flow statement because it is simple, easy. P&L also you can definitely do. This is what you are supposed to do it in the 6 markers. Very good. What about the 12 markers? Which are the questions I said you in the 12 marks? Can anyone raise your hands? Who raised the hand? Simran. Yes, Simran. You can unmute.
So you
And
told us to do issue or forfeiture
okay.
or redemption
Okay.
and common size or comparative.
Okay, very good. Very good. That's beautiful that I said all these things. Very nice. So all of you have followed my previous class brilliantly, which I'm very, very, very happy. So now, uh, let us solve. I think in the last class I solved this one. The issue and forfeiture of shares. I solved it. If I am right. Okay. In today's class, let us continue that section. So I said you that you are supposed to solve this one. What issue and forfeiture of shares, then the redemption of debentures, and then the analysis of financial statement. So now what I will do, I'll be solving the question on redemption of debentures. It is not to understand or make you to understand how to solve. I will tell you some techniques how to remember the journal entries. Okay. So we will solve on the redemption of debentures right now. Okay. Let me try to share the screen. Okay, now children, can you see the whiteboard on the screen? Even I will log in through the YouTube. So let me check whether I can see it or not. Okay. Can you all confirm? Can you all see the whiteboard? Thumbs up or whatever. Yes. Beautiful. Right. So in today's class, we will be talking on redemption of debentures. Redemption of debentures in today's class, right? I just wrote the heading on the white screen. Is it visible to all of you? Yes, no? I wrote redemption of debentures. Yeah, there are 2 thumbs ups. Good. Even in the YouTube, I can see, yes, it's visible. Super. So now, children, before we understand the redemption of debentures, let us try to understand the meaning of debenture, right? So all of you have undergone the last session on the shares, but this chapter I'll be going little, in depth on the meaning and everything. So last chapter, which is the last chapter that we did, it is about issue and forfeiture of shares. I did not tell you the theory part of that particular chapter, but to tell you the theoretical part, I will tell you before I get into the redemption of debentures, let us concentrate some of the theory on the issue of this one. What? Issue of shares and forfeiture of shares, right? So here, let us understand this theory because last class I did the problem. One of the problems I explained. Now, before I understand the share, sir, what is the meaning of capital? If I want to start the business, I want to invest some money to start the business. If I invest, I means the owner, the proprietor. If I invest the money to start any business, that is called as capital. What is the meaning of capital? Capital is the initial investment made by the proprietor or the owner to start any business is called as capital. ನಾನೊಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಹಣದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಮನಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as capital. Now, this is capital, I agree. Now, I want to start a large business in a bigger platform. And I need around, see, if I want to invest around 1 crore, yes, I can manage alone. I can borrow some money from my friends. I can borrow money from bank. I can start investing. So that is called as capital. What if I wanted to start a business which requires a capital of 100 crores? Can I invest alone? Not at all possible. Can I go to my friends and ask? Yes, they will give, but will they give 100 crores? No. Can I go to bank and ask 100 crores? No, not possible. They won't give. So what is the option I left out? Then what I will do? I will go to public. I will tell, sir, I am going to start a company. So you all can invest in my company. So you can invest how much ever you want. If you want to invest 100 rupees, you can invest. If you want to invest 1 crore rupees, you can invest. If you want to invest 1 lakh rupees, you can invest. Please, invest the money in my business. What I will do, I'll collect from everybody. I'll keep it with me. And this money collected from the public became 100 crores a year. Now I have 100 crores in front of me. And this capital, whatever the 100 crores I have, is shared by the public. ಈ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನ ಜನಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶೇರ್ ನೀವು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಬಿಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 100 rupees ಬಿಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನನ್ನ ಶೇರ್ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ತಗೋ, ನನ್ನ ಶೇರ್ 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ತಗೋ, ಟೇಕ್ ಮೈ ಶೇರ್ as 30 rupees. So you all going to share your money and invest there. Like that, in this 100 crores, public have shared this money. This 100 crores has been shared. That's why that is called as share capital. What is capital? Investment made by the proprietor is called as capital. What is share capital? The capital which is shared among the public is called as share capital. I think you understood the meaning of capital and share capital both. Now, let us try to understand the meaning of share. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅಥವಾ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಶೇರ್? ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಇದೊಂಥರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಟಂಗ್ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟರ್ ತರ ಇದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಶೇರ್? Share is a share in the share capital of a company. This is the meaning of share. Share is a share in the share capital of a company. In the share capital of a company. This is the meaning of share. ಅಂತರ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Share is a share in the share capital of a company. How can we understand this? I will tell you. I will explain you. Ulta ಬರೋಣ ಇದನ್ನ. Let us come ulta. In a company, we have share capital. We have share capital. You understood the meaning of share capital, right? So we have share capital. What is share capital? I told you the capital which is shared among the public is called as share capital. In a company, we have share capital. In that share capital, you have shared some amount. Assume that 100 crore is the share capital and you have invested 1 lakh. Somebody has invested 5 lakhs. Somebody has invested 3 lakhs. You have shared some money in that share capital. That shared money is called as share. ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರೋಣ. ಇವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ, ಇವಾಗ ಸೀದಾ ಓದೋಣ. ಇವಾಗ ಶೇರ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಶೇರ್, ನಿಮ್ದೊಂದು ಶೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ಈಸ್ ಎ ಶೇರ್, ಹೌದು, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಶೇರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎ ಶೇರ್ ವೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕಂಪನಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕಂಪನಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಎ ಶೇರ್. ದಟ್ ಶೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅ ಶೇರ್. ಸೊ ಶೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಶೇರ್ ವೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶೇರ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಶೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಶೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಶೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕಂಪನಿ. This is called as the meaning of share and the share capital and the meaning of capital. So did you all understand? Because in the last class, I did not tell this theoretical part, which is not right. So that's the reason I told you and explained you this today. Now, do you have any doubts in the meaning of capital, in the meaning of share, and in the meaning of share capital? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. If it is understood, thumbs up, Madiyalla. You can do thumbs up if it is understood. Meantime, I'll erase the board. Good. So 4 raise hand of thumbs up agide. That's all. Remaining people. Okay, let us come to the next topic or today's topic. Can you tell the meaning of capital once again? Yeah. Yes, Sakshi. Capital is the initial investment made by the proprietor. Initial investment made by the proprietor is called as capital. Okay. Now, let us come to the today's topic. I will tell the theory of this and then I will go to the explanation of this particular problem, which will be asked in the examination for 12 marks. Okay. So what is debenture? As I said to you about the share capital, if you want to start any business, you can raise the capital from various sources or in the various forms. You can go to bank and borrow the loan and invest it in the business. You can go to your friends, borrow the loan, invest it in the business. You can issue shares and invest it in the business, or borrow it, invest it in the business. And you can also issue debentures. What is debenture? Example keltane. Give the meaning of debenture or explain debenture. Debenture is the acknowledgement for debt. DEBT, debt. I repeat, debenture is the acknowledgement for debt borrowed from the public. ಏನ್ ಸರ್ ಇದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಾಲ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಬಾರೋ ದಿ ಮನಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಲೋನ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಬಾರೋ ದಿ ಮನಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್, is called as debenture. Simple. What is debenture? If you borrow money from bank, is called as bank loan. If you borrow money from the public, is called as debenture. Then you may ask me, sir, shares was still, sir, even we are borrowing money from public. Correct. Here, what happened? The difference between the share and debenture. In the difference anta heladre, number 1, shares anta bandaga, they will become owner of the company. Shareholders will become owner of the company, right? Just a second. To class. Here, if you invest in the form of debenture, they become members of the company. They are just members. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಓನರ್ಸ್. ದೇ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಓನರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಸಾಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ. ನಂಬರ್ 2, ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಇವಾಗ why are you going to invest in the company? To get some extra money. I have invested 1 lakh. Every year I should receive some money, interest from that. That interest what the company gives to the shareholder is called as dividend. The extra money which is given by the company to the debenture holders is called as interest. They don't call it as dividend, they call it as interest. Right? Next, Here, there is no fixed percentage. Here, there is fixed percentage. Yen sir idu fixed percentage andre? In the shares, if you invest in the form of shares, if the company gets high profit, you will get high dividend. If the company gets low profit, you will get low dividend. If the company gets no profit, you don't get any dividend, no dividend. So high profit, high dividend, low profit, low dividend, no profit, no dividend in the form of shares, if it is shares. Debenture. If the company gets, supposing when you invest in the form of, debentures, I'll tell you, fixed percentage, they promise you that every year we will pay 10% interest on the promise ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. The company will promise. If they get highest profit, high profit, same interest. Low profit, same interest. No profit, same interest. That's why you are called members of the company. ನೀವು members ಅಷ್ಟೇ, owners ಅಲ್ಲ. ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? High profit, same interest. Low profit, same interest. No profit, same interest. Next, you have the rights to get into the business of the company, enquire what's happening, check the books of accounts, participate in the meeting, vote ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. But when you become the debenture holder, you don't have any rights. You don't have no rights. You have no rights. Like, can you go and check the books of accounts? No. Can you go and attend the meeting? No. If you can attend, but you can be spectator. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತಿರ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇನೆ. Can you vote in the meeting? No. Why, sir? Here, if you are a shareholder, I am the owner. If something goes wrong, if something goes bad, I can question, boss, do it properly. Invest in the right place, because depending upon the profit of the company, I will get my interest or dividend, because I want to know what's happening. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವೇನೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಗೋಣ, ನನ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್, ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಗುರು ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ತಾನೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೋ, ಶಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೌತ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ shareholders will have every right to go and inspect everything, but debenture holders don't have any rights. They don't have any rights to inspect anything in the business. Okay, these are all the few of the differences between the shares and debentures. Do you have any doubts in this? Do you have any doubts? If you have completely understood, you can show thumbs up. If you have doubts, you can raise the hand. I will unmute. Okay, done. 3 of you have raised the hands. Shown the thumbs up. I assume you all have understood. Okay, now let's go to the next part. The next part is redemption of debenture. Redemption of debenture. Okay. Here, sir, what is redemption of debenture? What is this concept is all about? Redemption means giving it back. See, you are the company. Think that you are the company. Okay. You should think as company, right? Then only you understand. You will get the money from public. You will tell, please give the money in the form of debenture. Whether you earn profit, whether you make loss, whether you earn high profit, whatever, sir, you have to give a certain percentage of interest every year to this people who have invested. Correct. In the beginning, we wanted money, so we want to run the business. Yes, we will give. At one point of time, what happens? The company is earning profit, sufficient profit. The company has got sufficient money. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇವ್ರು ಹಾಕಿರೋ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬೇಡ, ಇವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. After certain number of time, the company is having so much of money, the company is earning profit, the company is self-stable to run the business. At that point of time, you don't need the money which is invested in the form of debenture. But you can't give back because you told them that I will give interest every year. Is that not a burden to us? Us ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಗುರು ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. How do I manage this? Unnecessary, I want to give the interest. At that time, the company has an option. The company has an option to give back the money to the debenture holders. They will tell, sir, you please invest. I will tell example, sir, you please invest 10 lakhs in my company. I will give you 10% interest per annum. Every year I will give you 10% interest. For how many years? For the next 10 years. Next 10 years, sir, 10% every year I will give you. No problem, don't worry. 10% means on 10 lakh you will be getting 1 lakh interest every year. Enjoy, right? But there is a condition. After 10 years, I will give back your money. Give back your money. Okay. So this 10 lakhs, whatever they have invested, is given back at the end of 10th year. This giving back is called as redemption. Giving back the money, which is taken in the form of debentures to the debenture holders, is called as redemption of debentures. ನೀವು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಪ್ಪ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಅಂಡ್ 10% ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಬಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ? 10 years ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನ. ನಾವು ಇದು ಕಂಪನಿ, ನೀವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಪನಿಯಾಗಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟರ್. ನೀವೇ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟರ್? ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಯು ದಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್. You can type, is it yes or no? If it is good, type yes. If it is bad, type no. I repeat, yes. Disha is telling yes. Okay. 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 Very good. Only Disha told. Okay, Disha, can you tell me why you are feeling it is good for you as an investor, ma? I have unmute you. You can unmute and speak. Matadi paravagilla. Tappidru paravagilla, matadi. Disha said yes. Sakshi said yes. Disha, Sakshi, anybody can unmute and speak. ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ? ಭಯ ಪಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, ತಪ್ಪಿದ್ರು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಟೆಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡವಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಹೂ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್? ರೈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್? ಹೂ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್? ರೈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಸಿ. ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ವಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೂ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್? ರೈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗುಡ್? ಸರ್, ನಾನು 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. 10 years, I will get 1 lakh interest. After that 10 years, I will get back my 10 lakhs. Is it good as an investor or bad? Yes, Andre, you can raise your hands. I will unmute you. You can speak. So that ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. Okay, nobody is talking. No problem. I will only talk. Sir, simple, sir. Somebody raised the hand. Very good. Smita Shri. Yes, Smita. You can unmute. Smita, you can unmute. I have asked you to I have asked you to unmute, ma. You can speak. Okay, no problem. So simple, sir. Here, what I have done, I have invested 10 lakh. Disha told, sir, we will get the amount only within that fixed time. Okay, good. I have invested 10 lakh. For the next 10 years, I will get For the next 10 years, I will get 1 lakh into 10. So I will get 10 lakhs. So I will get 1 lakh every year. 10 years, I am going to get 10 lakhs. Right now. So my 10 lakh will also come back to me. Actually good. Right now. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಒಂದೊಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನನ್ನ 10 ಲಕ್ಷನೂ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Right. So that's why it is actually good. No problem. So this is called as redemption of debenture. This is called as redemption of debenture. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. Let's go to the next one. Next, I think you understood the meaning of redemption of debentures. Any doubts to anybody? Okay, I will give you 5 seconds. You can ask me if you have any doubts in the redemption of debentures. You can raise your hands if you have any doubts. No doubts? Okay. Next is very important. Very important thing. 1 second. Yeah, next is types of redemption. Types of redemption. Okay. So there are 6 cases for the redemption of debentures types. I will tell you very easily how to remember. Okay. So you can write in one column. I will just draw it column wise. Issue, redemption. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Let me change the color into, yes, blue. Par, discount, ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಕಡೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್, ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್, ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಗೈನ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಪಾರ್, ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್, ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ. ಸೊ ಇಶ್ಯೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ 3 ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾರ್, ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್, ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ, ಪಾರ್, ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್, ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾರ್, 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 ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ, ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ, ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ. ಪಾರ್, 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 ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ, ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ, ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ. Okay. I think you are understanding whatever I am telling. Just a second, sir. Right. So simple to understand. Par, premium, discount, premium, par, discount, premium. Napka itkoli. Par, discount, premium, par, discount, premium. On the other side, par, 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 premium, premium, premium. This is how you should remember. Aita? Now, how to read it? Issued at par. Let me change the color into which one? Yeah, yellow. Issued at par, redemption at par. Issued at par, redemption at par. You should read like this. Then issued at issued at discount, redemption at par. Issued at discount, redemption at par. Then issued at premium, redemption at par. Issued at par, redemption at premium. Issued at discount, redemption at premium. Issued at premium, redemption at premium. How is this, sir? I will tell you with an example. Okay, let us go to the example. I'll erase this. Okay. Yes. I will take an example of 1 lakh. ಆಯ್ತಾ 1 lakh example ತಗೋತೀನಿ. See, you should think as the company. Now you are the company, not the investor. You have taken 1 lakh from the public. 1 lakh from the public. You will pay 10% interest every year. 10% of 1 lakh is 10,000 interest every year. After 10,000, you will repay again 10,000. Again 10,000. So you took 10,000. Issued at par, redemption at par. ಇಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ 10,000 ಇಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ 10,000ನೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. That is called as issued at par and redemption at par. ಇಲ್ಲಿ issued at discount, 10% discount ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಸ್ಕೊತೀರಾ. You will receive at 90,000. Actually, the face value of this is face value of this is 1 lakh. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ನೀವು ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು 10% ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು 10% ಅಂತ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ 1 lakh 10% ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 90,000. You received 90,000. You issued it for 90,000. Your redemption at 1 lakh. I'm sorry, this is 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Okay. You took 90,000. You paid 10% interest. That is 10,000, 10,000 on 1 lakh. At the end of the 10th year, you will be paying 1 lakh again. Issued at premium. So you took 1 lakh 10,000, but you repaid 1 lakh. You repaid 1 lakh. Sir, loss agalva sir debenture holder ge? Illa. Yakandre he has repaid he has paid 1 lakh 10,000 alva. 10% interest ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. You will be paying 10% interest. And that is 10,000. ಸಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೂಡದು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಅಟ್ ದ ಸಿ ಎವ್ರಿ ಇಯರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 10 lakh. ಸೊ 1 lakh ಸಾರಿ 10% ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ 10,000 rupees. ಸೊ 10 years ಗೆ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 1 lakh. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ 1 lakh 10,000 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 lakh ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ 2 lakh 10,000 rupees ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. 2 lakh rupees ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 1 lakh ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 1 lakh ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ issued at par ಅಂದ್ರೆ you will take 1 lakh. Premium, you will give back 1 lakh 10,000. Good. You invested 1 lakh. You got 10% interest every year. Again, you have got back your 1 lakh 10,000. Issued at discount. Very good. This is the beautiful one. 90,000 you invest ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. You will get 1 lakh 10,000 premium. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. This is the 5th case. 6th case. Issued at premium 1 lakh 10,000 and redemption also at premium 1 lakh 10,000. ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 1 lakh 10, ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ 1 lakh 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 4 ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ಕೇಸಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ, ದೀಸ್ 3 ಕೇಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Out of these 3, any one they will ask. Simple. ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಕೇಸ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಈ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ 4 cases will be asked. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಇದೇ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. The normal question papers, if you see the previous papers or the model question papers, if you see, this is how they will ask. So let us see a question paper now. Okay, 1 second. Stop sharing it. I will share the screen from here. My laptop. Yes. I will just go to ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Question number 30. I said you right. What I said you? 10% issued 2 lakhs 10% debentures of 100 each at par, redeemable at premium. So par premium ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ಯಾವ ಕೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್? ಇದು ಕೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4. Next, issue of 10% debentures of discount and redeemable at par. Discount and par ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಇದ್ಯಾವುದಿದು? ಯಾವ ಕೇಸ್ ಇದು? ಕೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. Issue of 2 lakhs debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium redeemable at par. So premium and par. Which case is this? Case number 3. First case number 4 ittu. Aita? 1 second. Pen. This is case number 4. This is case number 2. This is case number 3. Then issued 2 lakh worth debentures of premium at 5% and redeemable at a premium of 5%. Case number 6. So this is how they have asked. I said you, most of the things they will ask you like this, but out of 6, any 4 will definitely come. Aitalla. So this is what the previous year, or not previous year, this year ka one of the question papers. Aita. Now let us try to let us try to understand the journal entries. Journal entries na artha ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಇವಾಗ 6 cases ಗೆ. I will first do case number 1. Case number 1. Issue at par and redemption at par. This is case number 1. Issued at par, redemption at par. Sir, there are 4 journal entries which come. Set of 2 entries, 4 entries will come. That 4 entries napka itkondre bejan aitu nimge. Nothing to worry about it. Okay. Which is that entry that you are supposed to write? Number 1. Bank account debited to debenture application and allotment account. This is the first entry. This is the first entry that you are supposed to write. Okay. Second entry. Second entry will be, just a second. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅಗೈನ್ ಇದು ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟೆಡ್. ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಗ ಬಿಟ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಟು ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಟು ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಸರ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ನಾಪ್ಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬೇಜಾನಾಯ್ತು. ದೀಸ್ 4 entries you are supposed to remember, and this is more than sufficient to understand this chapter. First entry is bank account debited to debenture application and allotment account. Second entry is debenture application and allotment account debited to debentures account. If you remember these 2 entries, more than sufficient. I will tell you the technique how to adjust between the cases. Understood? Any doubts in these 2 entries? Children, please tell me if you have any doubts in this before I go forward. If you have doubts, raise your hands. If you have understood, show thumbs up. I have seen only 3 thumbs ups. What about others? Malgidira ellaru eddidira. So there are totally 15 ನಲ್ಲಿ 13 participants ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಜನ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಉಳಿದವರೆಲ್ಲ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ thumbs up ಮಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. If you have doubts, hand raise. I will clarify your doubts. Okay, super. Thank you all. So now, technique number 1. For all the 6 cases, this first entry will be same. There is no change in the first entry. Second entry is almost same, but See, the thing is, these two, debenture application allotment account debited to debentures account, this will come definitely. In between this, there are one or two entries that will come internally. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಗ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. This is for first case. Please copy this down. Copy this entry for case number 1. Okay, I'll give you 10 seconds time. 10 seconds ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದಾ? 15 seconds time. Okay, and copy this question. Once it is done, thumbs up ಮಾಡಿ, so that we can go to the next. I'll go little slow because ಇದು 12 marks ಬರುತ್ತೆ, which is very very important, and I don't want to rush. ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ರಶ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಶೋ ಥಮ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡನ್. ಡನ್. Okay, super. I will go to the case number 2. What is case number 2? Can you message? Case number 1 ಆಯ್ತು. Case number 2 ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. You can just message par premium, par discount premium ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಡ, ಪಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Discount par, Nishal has said. Very good, Nishal. Others? Discount par. Very good. Very good. Many of you are typing the same. Yes, the right answer is discount and par. Let us try to solve that. I will just erase this. Erase this. I will write the second case. Case number 2 is issued at discount, redemption at par. So I'm changing the color of the pen because you can see which is common and which is the entry that you are supposed to write. The first entry, what I said you, bank account debited to debenture application allotment account remains same. Second entry, debenture application allotment account debited, discount on issue of debentures account debited to debentures account. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಆಡ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ಗೂ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ಗೂ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟೆಡ್, ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟೆಡ್ to debentures account. This is the extra entry that you are supposed to add between the case number 1 and case number 2. Right? Barkoli, you can copy this case number 2 also. Once done, please show thumbs up so that I can go to the case number 3. One question to the organizers. Sir, can we give time to the children to write it, or will it be slow if I give time? How shall we go ahead, sir?
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anything will be fine, sir. It's your wish.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, done. This is case number 2. What is case number 3? Can you all message? Case number 3, premium and par. Very good. Somebody has messaged me asking that, sir, will you explain 6 marks question? Alfia, if time permits, I'll explain because my more concentration is towards 12 mark, because if you understand 12 marker, 3 questions, you can get 36 marks. So my major concentration is towards the 12 marker. If time permits, I will be explaining the 6 marker question as well. So case number 3, you all said case number 3. You all said what is case number 3? Sorry, YouTube class. Message me, WhatsApp. So case number 3 issued at premium and redemption at par. Correct? Issued at premium and redemption at par. So what is the first journal entry? I said you same bank account debited to debenture application and allotment account. Same entry baratte. Aita. Second entry, little change. Debenture application allotment account debit to debentures account to securities premium account. ಇದೊಂದು entry add ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. To securities premium account. I repeat, debenture application and allotment account debit to debentures account to securities premium account. This is what the entry that is going to be added for the case number 3. Case number 3. Right? Please copy it. Okay, shall we go to the next case? Case number 4. What is case number 4? It is securities premium, Nishal. Not premium for reserve. Securities premium for reserve. It is securities premium reserve also you can write, no problem. Securities premium reserve also you can write, no issues. Okay, case number 4. Issued at par, correct. Issued at par, redemption at premium. Redemption at premium. Again, the first entry is same. Bank account debited to debenture application account, application allotment account. Next, debenture application allotment account debited. Loss on issue of debentures account debited to premium on redemption of debentures account. These are the 2 entries that is going to be added. So I repeat, debentures application allotment account debited, loss on issue of debentures account debited to debentures account to premium on redemption of debentures account. Okay, please copy it. Yes. Case number 4 is done. So which is case number 5? Can you all tell me? Case number 5. Discount and premium. Very good. Issued at discount, redemption at premium. I have a good news for you. For case number 4 and case number 5, journal entry is same. No change in the journal entry. Same entry you will write, but there is a difference in the amount what you write. Aitala, that I will teach you whenever I come to the problem part. When I solve the problem, when I solve the question, then I will teach you. Now, case number 4, case number 5, case number 4, case number 5, the journal entry will be same. Bank account debited, loss on issue of debentures account debited, to debentures account to premium on redemption of debentures account, same journal entry. Okay, copy it once again, all of you. Please copy it again. Business studies crash course Yavaga, Lakshmikant Mallayya. You will get to know, ma. Our organizers will tell, you will get to know. Okay. Okay, let us go to the last but not the least, sixth case. What is sixth case is all about? Can you tell? Premium, premium. Yes. Premium and premium. Okay. So here also first entry is same. Bank account debited to debenture application allotment account, first entry is same. Second entry is almost same except one thing. Debenture application allotment account debit, loss on issue of debentures account debit, to debentures account to premium on redemption of debentures account. Again, the last entry you should write to securities premium reserves account, to securities premium reserve account. Okay, one extra entry will add security premium reserve account. This is the case number 6. Okay. So any doubts in these cases? Please write it down fast. Can you please share the accountancy theory PDF? Yeah, at the end of the day, today's class, I will share it. Okay, don't worry. So where do we get the PDF? Don't worry, ma. Our organizers will definitely send everything, all the PDF to all of you. Don't worry. Okay. So now this is what the the journal entries. Now let us get into the problem. Okay. So case number, I will solve the problem for all the 6 cases. 6 case ku problem na solve madana. I will write the question here. What is case number 1? Case number 1 is issued at par, redemption at par. Case number 2, issued at discount, redemption at par. Case number 3, issued at premium, redemption at par. Case number 4, issued at par, redemption at premium. Then issued at par, issued at discount, not par. Issued at discount, redemption at premium. Issued at premium, redemption at premium. Okay, I'll take an example. Issue of rupees 1 lakh 9% debentures of 100 each at par, redeemable at par. So we have issued 9% debentures of how much? Rupees 1 lakh. Debentures of 100 each. 100 each. Okay, issued at par. So we have issued 1 lakh, redemption also at par. We have issued 9% debentures at a discount of 5% and redemption at par. Here issued at a premium of 5%, redemption at par. Again, illi discount of 5%, premium of 5%, premium of 5%, premium of 5%. Or else I will do one thing. I will give that problem only. Can you all copy that problem so that clarity irutte? Illa andre sumne 1 second, sir. I will have to. Yes. So we'll do one thing. I will go case by case. Case number 1. Issue of rupees 1 lakh 9% debentures of 100 each and redeemable at par. Redeemable at par. This is the question. Case number 1. Let us solve it now. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ so that next journal entries ಗೆ ಬರೀ amount ಮಾತ್ರ change ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Case number 1. What is the journal entry? I said you bank account debited to 9% debenture application and allotment account. Bank account debited. 1 second. I will draw the format and write so that you will understand it better. bank account debited to 9% debentures application and allotment account. Okay. So here, what has happened here? Issued rupees 1 lakh, 9% debentures of 100 each and redeemable at par. We have issued 1 lakh, right? Write that 1 lakh here. 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Okay. So the journal entry narration for this is being 9% debentures application money received. Okay, this is the first journal entry. This is the first journal entry. Second entry. Let us go to the second entry. What is the second entry that I have told? Debentures. ಇದೇ entry ಮತ್ತೆ repeat ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. The entry will repeat. Application and allotment account debited to 9%. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ 9% ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 9% debentures account. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ how to write the amount I'll teach you. Please concentrate. Debenture application or allotment account debit. To this, write the amount which is there in the previous entry. Write the amount which is there in the previous entry. 9% to 9% debenture application allotment account debit. How much is there? What is the amount we have there? 1 lakh. Write that. Then to debentures account. Always please keep this in mind. Always you should write the face value. Always you should write the face value. What is the face value of this? 1 lakh. The face value is 1 lakh. This is the journal entry for the case number 1. Narration for the case number 2. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Being application money transfer to debentures account ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ಸೊ ನರೇಷನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ನರೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮನಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಟು ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ಲಾ? Debentures account. This is the case number 1. Please write it and raise your hand or show thumbs up once you have written. This is very very important. 12 marks exam ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Please ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ please raise your hand. I'll explain. If you have understood, show the thumbs up. Okay, let's go to the second case. Case number 2. Case number 2. Case number 2 is issued at discount and redeemable at par. Okay. Issue of rupees 1 lakh, 9% debentures of 100 each. At discount at a discount of 5%. And redeemable at par. At a discount of 5% redeemable at par. The amount will change. Okay. So now, first entry. What is the first entry? You should write bank account debited to debenture application allotment account debit. Here we have issued at a discount of 5%. So what is 5% of 1 lakh? 5,000 minus martira. Then you will write the amount as 95,000. 95,000. Then second entry. What is the second entry that you are supposed to write? 9% debenture application allotment account debit. Again, you should add one more. Discount on issue of debentures account debit to 9% debentures account. This one, whatever this one, the first entry, 9% debenture application allotment account debit, which entry you are supposed to write? From the previous entry. What is the amount in the previous entry? 95,000, Bardri. Then to 9% debentures account, I said always you should write the face value. What is the face value? 1 lakh. Difference ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂನು 5,000 rupees ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ fill in the blanks ಮಾಡಿ. 5,000, that's all. This is as simple as that. Okay, this is the case number 2. Case number 2 ಗೆ ಈ ಎಂಟ್ರಿನ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. Okay, copy it. Once done, please raise your hands. Done? Please raise your please show thumbs up once you are done. Super. So let us go to case number 3. Case number 3 ಹೋಗೋಣ. Then we need to okay, case number 3 ಏನು? Issue of rupees 1 lakh 9% debentures of 100 each at premium of 5% and redeemable at par. Redeemable at par. Okay. First entry is same. Bank account debited to 9% debenture application and allotment account. Here we have issued at a premium. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು? 5% ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 lakh rupee worth debentures issued for 1,05,000. So you should write 1,05,000. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Now, write in the second entry. Here, 9% debenture application allotment account debited to debentures account. Here, 2 securities premium reserve account. I said you 9% debenture application allotment account debited. Previous entry amount ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. 1,05,000 to 9% debentures account, always face value. Difference ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 5,000. Write this premium 5,000 here. That's all. Case number 3 is done. Actually, this is case number 3. Case number 3. Okay. Copy it and raise your hands once done. Okay, done. Let's go to the next question. Case number 4. What is case number 4? Issue of rupees 9% debentures of 100 each at par, redeemable at a premium of 5%. At par and redeemable at %5%. Redeemable at a premium of 5%. Let me erase this. Okay, now the first entry is same. Bank account debited to 9%, debentures account. That will be same. So here we have issued at par. Paral issue ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. So you should write 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Sorry, I have to erase this. Yes. Now, what is the second entry that you are supposed to write? Debenture application allotment account debit. Loss on issue of debentures account debit to premium on redemption of debentures account. ಇದು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. I will teach you the technique first, then I will tell you the concept. Okay. Here I said you the technique. This the 9% debenture application allotment account debit, which amount you should write? Previous entry, that is 1 lakh. To 9% debentures account, what you should write? Face value. Face value. ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇವಾಗ the blank one is loss on issue of debentures account on blank ಇದೆ. Premium on redemption of debentures account blank ಇದೆ. What you are supposed to do? Redeemable at a premium of 5%. What is the 5% of 1 lakh? 5,000, right? 5,000 here. Write 5,000 here. Fill in the blanks. Done. This is the technique. Concept ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. You have received 1 lakh, but you are paying 5,000 extra. That's why loss on issue of debenture 5,000 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. And why you are paying 5,000 extra? Because the premium on redemption of ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು. Because you are giving the premium at the time of redemption 5,000. That's why it is 5,000. This is the concept. But the technique is First entry amount from the previous entry to 9% debentures account always face value. Blank ಇರೋ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಏನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಆ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಮುಗೀತು. ಕೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4 is done. Please copy it and raise your hand or show the thumbs up. Done? Yes. Now let's go to the fifth case. Case number 5. Okay, what is case number 5? Issue of rupees 9% debentures at a discount of 5%, but redeemable at a premium of 5%. Premium of 5%. Okay, at a discount of 5% and redeemable at a premium of 5%. I said in this case, both the entries will be same. Entry will not change, but only the amount will change. Here, we have issued at a discount of 5%. So we have issued at a discount of 5%. 5% discount minus madadmele, this becomes 95,000. Understood? Yes. Now, enter it in the second entry. I said 9% debenture application allotment account debit will be always from the previous entry. ಎಷ್ಟು the previous entry ನಲ್ಲಿ 95,000 ಇದೆ. Write it. To 9% debentures account, always this will be 1 lakh. Right? Super. Illi premium on redemption of debentures, when you pay the money, how much extra you paid? You paid 5,000 extra. Correct? No, you paid 5,000 extra. When you received the money, how much less you received? You received less 5,000. Illi, when you issue the debentures, you issued it for 95. There you lost 5,000. When you were redeeming the debentures, you paid 5,000 more. There also you lost 5,000. Put together, what is the total loss you suffered? Loss on issue of debentures, total loss is 10,000. Simple. I repeat. 9% debenture application allotment account debit. This amount is from the previous entry. To 9% debenture, this is always the face value. Here, when you redeem the debentures, how much extra you paid? You paid 5,000 rupees extra, 5%. Right? That. Next, loss on issue of debentures account debit. Here, why 10,000? When you received the money, when the issue happened, you received 5,000 less. When you repaid the money, that is when the form of in the time of debenture redemption, you paid 5,000 more. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ 5,000 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಂತು, ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 5,000 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Totally you lost 10,000 rupees. That's why 10,000 has been written. I think this is clear. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Copy it. Once done, raise your hands. Done. Let us go to the last case. That is case number 6. Yes. Here, the last case is issued at a premium of premium of 5% and redeemable at premium of 5%. Redeemable at a premium of 5%. So first entry will be same. What is the first entry? We have issued at a premium. Issued at a premium and I have taken 5,000 rupees extra. Right? 1,05,000. 1,05,000 you have taken. Right? That 5,000. Next, 9% debenture application allotment account debit. You should write from the previous entry. 1,05,000. To 9% debentures, I said always the face value. You should write one more entry extra here. To securities premium reserve account. Here, loss on issue of debentures. How much loss you suffered because of the issue of debentures? Because when you repaid the money, you paid 5,000 extra. Write 5,000 here. Premium on redemption. Redemption ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರು 5,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ extra ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೀರಿ 5,000. Securities premium reserve. ನೀವು issue ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, when you issued the debentures, you received at 5% premium. That 5,000 will come here. That's all. Okay. I repeat. 9% debenture application allotment account debit from the previous entry. Loss on issue of debentures account. When you redeem the debenture, you suffered a loss of 5,000. To 9% debentures account, 1 lakh will be the face value. Always face value. To premium on redemption of debentures account, when you redeem the debentures, how much extra premium you are paying? 5,000. To securities premium reserve account, because when you issued the debenture also, you took it issued at premium. No, that 5,000 you have issued, you should write that. Okay. Thus, these are the 6 cases that you have got. Please copy it. Once done, show the thumbs up. Once done, show the thumbs up. Bhavana is raising hand. Bhavana, do you have any doubt? Yeah, you are raising hand. If you have doubt, again, you please raise your hand. I'll ask you to unmute. Okay, done. So we are done with the redemption of debentures. Super. So now let's go to the next concept after say 11:31 right now. Let us take around 5-6 minutes break and we will come back. I will start doing the comparative and common size statement so that 12 marks everything I will cover. So that 6 marks nimage I said you profit and loss appropriation, interest on drawings, death of a partner and cash flow statement you can do, and you can also try the P&L appropriation account. Okay, that you can try. In my next segment I will be doing the comparative and common size statement. Let us come back in at what time? 11:31, 11:35, 11:36. We will assemble back. Okay. Please, you cannot. No need to log out. You can be online. You can just take a short break and come back. Okay, we'll start in 1 more minute. All of you can now sit and assemble. Okay, welcome back. Let us start the next. Yes. The next topic, the 12 marker, which I am going to discuss now is analysis of financial statements. Actually, nimge, they have got too many chapters there, but what is analysis? Are you all there? Before I start, can you all raise the hands or show thumbs up that you're all watching and not sleeping? Yes. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. So what is analysis of financial statements? Before we understand this, we need to understand the meaning of financial statements. Yes, are financial statements andre. Financial statement includes the trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet, which tells the financial position of the organization, which is called as profitability position and the financial position. Financial position and balance sheet to profitability position, the trading and profit and loss account. This is called as financial statements. Now, what is this analysis of this financial statement? Now we prepare the trading account, P&L account, and we also do the balance sheet. How the company is doing, how are they spending, how are they earning, comparing to last year, how is this year? All these things we sit and analyze. For example, I will tell you, let us do a quiz. Okay, I'll ask a question. You can unmute and answer, or you can send it in the chat box also. Okay, right. Last year, what I can tell, my company's profit is last year 1 crore, and this year my company profit is 2 crores. I repeat, last year my company profit is 1 crore, and this year my company profit is 2 crores. Is my company's performance good or bad? You can comment.
Good.
Good. Okay. Others? Good. Alfia is telling good. Somebody unmuted and said good. Okay, good. Now you should not answer this. I have not completed the question. I will add one more thing now. Last year, I did 10 crores sales. My sales worth was 10 crores and I made a profit of 1 crore. This year, my sales is 30 crores and my profit is 2 crores. Now tell me, is my company good or bad?
No.
Good or bad? Bad? Correct. See, looking at the profit, you cannot come to the conclusion. You cannot tell good, bad, and ugly because profit last year 1 crore, you was 2 crores. Wow, 1 crore profit. Excellent, beautiful. Wow, good. No, you should deep dive into it. Okay, profit is 1 crore. This is 2 crores. I agree. What is the sales in the last year? Please tell me. Can you tell me that? You should ask the question. Then the truth will come out. Last year the sales was 10 crores. This year the sales is 30 crores. Then my profit should be 3 crores, not 2 crores. Actually, I'm doing very bad. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋದು. ವಿ ಸಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನಲೈಸ್ to this amount of sales, how much is the expenses that we did, how much salary we paid, what is our sales in last year, what is our sales this year, what was our fixed asset last year, what is our fixed asset this year. This is called analysis. To do this analysis, you have got tools. What are the tools you have? 5 tools you have. Number 1, comparative statement, that is comparative income statement, comparative position statement. Next, common size statement. The second one is common size statement, that is common size income statement and common size position statement. Number 3 is ratio analysis. ನಿಮಗಿದೆ ಅದೇ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಇದೆ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದು 5. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಫ್ಲೋ, ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ, ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ರಿಪೀಟ್: common comparative, common size, which includes the position statement and income statement both, then the ratio analysis, then the cash flow statement, then the fund flow statement and the trend analysis. These are the tools for analyzing the financial statement. In this, we will understand 2 things. Number 1, comparative statement. Number 2, common size statement. What is this difference between these 2 statements? Here we will compare the statement between two years. Here in this common size, we compare the statement within that year. ಆ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ 2021 and 2022 statements. I will take 2 statements. I will compare what was the position last year, what is the position this year. But in common size statement, I will take only 2021 and compare within this. This is common size statement. Next, this is point number 2. Point number 3, this gives the information on the growth compared to years. Okay, last year this was my performance. This year this is my performance, and this last year to this year this is my growth, or this is my downfall. This is what is going to we are going to get it in the comparative statement. But in common size statement, we understand here we will see the growth or the downfall. But here we will get the information on the insides of that particular year. Okay, when compared to sales, what is salary? When compared to sales, what is my depreciation? When compared to sales, what is my other expenses? Then when compared to total liabilities, what is my current liability? When compared to total liabilities, what is my long-term liability? When compared to my total assets, what is my fixed asset? When compared to my total assets, what is my current assets? So this is the insight that we are going to get. Now in the examination, either comparative balance sheet will be asked or common size balance sheet will be asked. Okay. So this is what is about the comparative and common size statement. Now let us see the format ಇದೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇದೆ. Okay, I will share the. Okay, 1 second, I will share the question. You can write the question. After that we will go to the format. 1 second, unshare. I will share my laptop screen. Comparative balance sheet. Yes, question number 31. Okay, can you all take the screenshot of this question number 31? I'm going to little zoom it out. Zoom it in, sorry, not out. Okay, can you all take the screenshot of this? You keep it with you so that we will do the problem. Even I have to share the screenshot, no? Take the screenshot because I need the problem. Yes, even I have taken the screenshot. Super. So let us do the problem now. Before we do the problem, we need to understand the format. So what they have asked us, you're required to prepare the comparative balance sheet of 2016 and 17 of Karnataka Company Limited. Okay. So we have the format here. Okay, I'm ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ vertical lang ಮಾಡಲಾ? Let be good. Yes. Because ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. I will be doing it vertically, not horizontally. Balance sheet. As on, what is that? As on 31st 3/2016 and 31st 3/2017. Okay. Yes. So now we need to write a long format. ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Particulars 31st 3 2016 in rupees, 31st 3 2017 in rupees. Increase or decrease in percentage, amount. In rupees, then increase or decrease in percentage. This is the format. Okay. This looks better. Okay. Now, first let us write the format, sir. Okay. Format baradu bidana. The format goes like this. First, equity and liabilities. Equity and liabilities. Under that, the first point is shareholders funds. First point is shareholders funds. Then the second point, I'll leave some space here. Non-current liabilities, or it is also called as long-term liabilities. Then the third one will be current liabilities. Then total equity and liabilities. Actually, ಇದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ doing like this. Then we should write it as second point is assets in this non-current assets. Next one is current assets. Okay. So this is the format. Now let us go to the problem. Sir, very easy and fill in the blanks tara irutte idu aitalla. First let us write the problem and let us go to the problem. First is equities and liabilities. Under that they have given equity share capital. Where this goes to the shareholders fund. This goes to the, I will change the color into what, black. Okay. Equity and equity share capital. Equity share capital, the amount is 2 lakhs in the first year, 4 lakhs in the second year. Then reserves and surplus, where does this go? This also goes to the shareholders fund. Reserves and surplus, 1 lakh. 1 lakh in the first year, 1,50,000 in the second year. Then long-term loans comes under the non-current liabilities. Long-term loans comes under non-current liabilities, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs. I'm sorry for this one, what that straight line that comes when I keep my hand on the screen, that's by default, it's coming something. Then current liabilities comes under the current liabilities only. Current liabilities, it is 1,20,000, 1,70,000. Next, liabilities are done. What is the total liabilities you have got? 6,20,000, 10,20,000. Problem I'm just referring to the problem which I had told you to take the screenshot. Next is assets. Fixed assets. Fixed assets comes under the non-current assets. I will write fixed assets 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs. Non-current investment, they have given it as non-current investment. If they give it as current investment, take it under the current assets. Non-current investment 1 lakh, 1,25,000. Next, current assets comes under the current assets only. Two lakh 55, 3,25,000. Loans and advances comes under the current assets. 65,000, 70,000. Again, the total assets 6,20,000, 10,20,000. See, data entry madidini. I have done only the data entry. Nothing more, nothing rocket science I have done here. Okay. Now let us get into the analysis. Analysis part ige hogana ivaga. Okay. Right. Now, for third column, whatever the third column, increase or decrease in rupees and the bardidinalla. Let us go to that column right now. Now, equity share capital. Equity share capital. What is the amount in the first year? 2 lakhs. What is the amount in the second year? 4 lakhs. There is an increase of 2 lakhs. There is an increase of 2 lakhs. Barkotira. Again, reserves and surplus 1 lakh ide, 1,50,000 ide. There is an increase of 50,000. There is an increase of 50,000. Right. Next, long-term loan 2 lakhs ide, 3 lakhs agide. There is an increase of 1 lakh. Current liabilities 1,20,000, 1,70,000. There is an increase of 50,000. Then equity and liability total 6,20,000, 10,20,000. There is an increase of 4 lakhs. Then fixed assets 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs. There is an increase of 3 lakhs. Then non-current investment 1 lakh, 1,25,000. There is an increase of 25,000. Current assets 2,55,000, 3,25,000. 2,55,000 to 3,25,000 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Yes, 70,000 increase. Then 65,000, 70,000, 5,000 increase. Again, there is a 4 lakh increase. Okay. Now, Fourth column. The fourth column, increase or decrease in percentage. I'll tell you. See, this 2 lakhs divided by first year. 2 lakhs into 100 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. So 2 lakhs divided by 2 lakhs into 100. ಎಷ್ಟು percentage ಬರುತ್ತೆ? This becomes 100%. 100.00. If it is decreased, bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. Assume first year it is 2 lakh, second year it is 1 lakh. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 lakh ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Instead of plus 2 lakh, this becomes minus 1 lakh. Okay. Next, 50,000 divided by 1 lakh into 100. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 50% ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 50% ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next, 1 lakh by 2 lakhs into 100 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 lakh divided by 2 lakhs into 100 is again 50%. Then 50,000 divided by 1 lakh 20,000 into 100. 50 divided by 1 lakh 20 into 100. 41.66666 ಇದೆ. We'll make it as 41.67. Decimal ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 2 digits ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Then 4 lakhs divided by 6 lakhs 20,000 into 100. 64.5161 ಇದೆ. You make it as 64.52. 64.52. Next, fixed assets. 3 lakhs divided by 2 lakhs into 100. 150% increase ಆಗಿದೆ. 150%. Then 25,000 by 1 lakh into 100. 25%. Then 70,000 divided by 2 lakh 55,000 into 100. 27.45. 27.45. Next, 5,000 divided by 65,000 into 100. 7.692. 69. Again, 4 lakh divided by 6 lakh 20,000 into 100. 64.52%. Sir, ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 12 marks. That's why I said admission, retirement, dissolution ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. But this is easy. Okay, only this much. One of the question papers I have taken and I have done it. This is easy. So please do that. 12 marks easy ಆಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Okay na? So you can copy this problem, solution. Understood, all of you? If it is yes, raise your hand or no, show the thumbs up. If you have doubts, raise your hand. I'll clarify. Good, good. Copy it, sir. You can all release your thumbs up. Once you copied, please give thumbs up once again. If you are done. Once you are done, thumbs up. Then we'll go to the common size. This is very important. Please copy it neatly, cleanly. Done? Yes. We will go to the common size. Let me check the common size problem. We open one more paper. What they have given their comparative or common size, we will see. 1 second. Prepare comparative. Common size is only this one. Prepare common size. Okay, we'll do one thing. Instead of taking two problems, we'll take the same problem and do the common size. Correct? No, so that you can understand the difference between common size and comparative. Is that fine, or do you want me to do the new problem? What has happened? Problem. What? One second, sir. I'll just log out and log in again. There is some issue. Sir, can you allow me to share the whiteboard, sir? There's some problem happening. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Can you do co-host one more my device, sir? I'm not able to share the whiteboard.
Yes, sure. Doing it.
I think you can do it, sir.
So another device name, sir?
Dr. Krishna BS, the same name.
Yes. Now,
Yes.
can you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Okay, let's do the same, question there. Okay, children, there is some problem in sharing the whiteboard from my tab. So I am sharing the whiteboard through my laptop and writing through my tab. Request yes. So if I cannot disable the annotation, don't annotate anything on the board because that would be a problem. Yes. Karnataka Company Limited, right? Balance sheet. For the year ended 31st/3/2016. And 31st/3/2017, right? So now let me draw the format. right? So I said you the first one is equity and liabilities. Under that, shareholders funds. Next is non-current. Okay, we are doing this one, no? What common size ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಲ್ವಾ? Here is not increase or decrease. So this is the format. Okay, 31st 3 2017, 31st 3 2016 percentage, 31st 3 2017 percentage, right? Sorry, there is some confusion happened, no? Current liabilities, then total equity, and I'm trying to adjust in the space available because there is some problem in the whiteboard. Then assets in this non-current asset, then current assets, in total assets. Okay, yeah. So let us open the problem now. As it is, first equity and liabilities. Under that, equity share capital, equity share capital, equity share capital. The amount is 2 lakhs, 4 lakhs. See, here you should not leave one column in between. Okay, then reserves and surplus. Reserves and surplus 1 lakh, 1 lakh 50. This is easier than comparative, sir. Aita. Then long-term loans comes under the long-term liabilities. Long-term loan is 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. Then current liabilities, under that you have current liability actually. Liability is how much? 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh 70. And the total is 6 lakhs 20,000, 10 lakhs 20,000. Then assets, in that fixed assets. Fixed asset 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs. Then non-current investment 1 lakh, 1 lakh 25. Then current asset 2 lakhs 55. 3 lakhs 25. 3 lakhs 25. Then loans and advances. Advances 65,000. 70 total 6 lakhs 20. 10 lakhs 20. So now how to do this? Simple. I'll tell you. 6 lakh, see, 2 lakhs divided by 6 lakhs 20 into 100. Every liability you should divide it by the total liabilities, equity and liability. So 2 lakhs divided by 6 lakhs 20 into 100 will be 32.258, 32.26 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Next, 1 lakh. Again, 1 lakh divided by 6 lakhs 20 into 100. 1 lakh divided by 6 lakhs 20 into 100 will be 16.13. Then 2 lakhs divided by 6 lakhs 20 into 100 will be 32.26. Same. Then 1 lakh 20 divided by 6 lakhs 20 into 100 will be 19.35. 19.35. So this will always be 100. Asset will also be 100. 100. 100. Next asset barana. Again, 2 lakhs by 6 lakhs 20 into 100 is 32.26. 1 lakh by 6 lakhs 20 is 100 is 16.13. 2 lakhs 55,000 divided by 6 lakhs 20,000 into 100 will be 41.13. Then 65,000 divided by 6 lakhs 20 into 100 will be 10.48. Next, again same. 4 lakh divided by 10 lakh 20 into 100 for next year divided by 10 lakh 20 into 100, 39.121. 22 actually. Next, 1 lakh 50 divided by 10 lakh 20 into 100 will be 14.71. Then 3 lakhs divided by 10 lakh 20 into 100 will be 21.41. Then 1 lakh 70,000 divided by 10 lakh 20,000 into 100 will be 16.6666 is 16.67. Then assets ಬಂದ್ವಿ ನಾವು 5 lakhs divided by 10 lakh 20,000 into 100 will be 49.02. Then 1 lakh 20,000 ಅದು 1 lakh 25. Okay. 1 lakh 25,000 divided by 10 lakh 20 into 100 will be 12.25. Next, 3 lakh 25 divided by 10 lakh 20 into 100 will be 31.86. 70,000 divided by 10 lakh 20,000 into 100 will be 6.86. Yes. So this is how the common size balance sheet or common size position statements will look. 12 marks. Easy 12 marks. Okay. So please copy this. Once done, please raise your hands also. Or show the thumbs up. Done? Super. So I have shared the 23 question papers which I have told you that I'll be sharing, all preparatory papers of almost all districts. So I have shared it to sir. So sir will be posting that to all of you, I believe, probably through WhatsApp or through mail or whatever the communication credentials that you have given. Through that they will post it. So this is what is about our 12 marks. So my last suggestion is please go through these question papers, solve it one by one. Theory. Sir, where should you refer theory? I will also send the theory notes to sir. Sir will send you the PDF of theory notes to all of you. Probably another half an hour once I finish the class, I need to search in my laptop to get that notes. I will send that. So please refer the theory part A and part B also I will be sharing with you all. So refer that and hope the 2 days session was helpful to all of you. You learned something, the overall question paper, overall strategy of doing the exams, and the 12 marker question especially you learned it, I believe. So was this session useful? Yes, no? You can just type it in the chat box. Yes, Lakshmikant is telling yes, Alfia, yes. Okay, good. Getting couple of responses. Sir, where can we get recorded session? Sakshi, you can go to the YouTube. My YouTube, there is a recorded session from Trisha. You definitely can log in and YouTube and you can watch anytime. My Saturday class is also there. Okay. Sir, capital adjustment admission retirement will come for exams and difficulty from first lesson. See, no, that's what I told you, Lakshmikant. Don't try to do the admission retirement dissolution. Try doing shares, debentures, and this problem, common size and comparative. This is much easier. Why to waste your time? Why to worry? For the knowledge sake, definitely you have to understand admission, retirement, dissolution, death, everything. But examination point of view, don't worry about it because you have to get marks. You have to get show your knowledge of whatever you know. Just try all these things. Okay. Super. So this is what about accountancy of today's session. For almost 5 hours, I have taken the class. Thank you all. Thank you very much for participating. And I thank the organizers, the Trisha campus, the Trisha College of Udupi and Mangalore for giving me this opportunity. Thank you all. So all the best for your final examination. Do well, prepare well, do well, write well. I always say examination is a festival. Let's celebrate. Okay. So please celebrate that festival and all the very best. Bye. Take care. Thank you. See you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Dear students, we'll be sharing a question papers with you or a WhatsApp or we'll be sharing a Google Drive link. Yeah, you can utilize that one. By that time, you can fill the feedback form as well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thanks for the opportunity.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello.